I was going to ask you about recorded lectures and live lectures. So I just wonder, obviously you had access, I think, to everything, all of our materials. How did you find the recorded lectures?
Oh, yes, the recording lectures were good, especially for drafting. That really did help me because the drafting had slides about how to approach each question. For instance, when it came to will, how to draft a will, I think there was like a recording lecture that really did help me to know how to actually approach wills, and there were so many of them, so they really did help us to expand my knowledge and also know specific things to put. For instance, dispute resolution, the forms that would come, there were some parts that I would actually not know, but listening to the recordings, I remember like the tutors would explain each box, like what you can put here when it comes to the exam and so on. And also they would give like general tips to also use that to approach if like you come across a new form that you've never met before, because there are so many drafting and forms that you can study and you might not be able to go through everything, but knowing general tips and approach to answer a new form that you meet would really do help. So I think during all my exam, I only came across just one form that I was not familiar with, but using that approach with my results, I was shocked with the marks that I got there. So yeah, the lectures do really help with the recording